people, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy Janmashtami to all of you. One of my subscribers has requested me to make a video on moisturizers, especially for oily skin type. If you people know me for a long time, you may know that I am oily skin type. And when we talk about oily skin, it becomes very difficult to find a good moisturizers because all of us end up with acne, pimples and breakouts. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my secrets of using moisturizers. Earlier what I used to do, I used to apply aloe vera gel morning and night because I couldn't find any moisturizer that will suit my skin type, and I use this Wow aloe vera gel. It contains 99% of aloe vera and they people says that their product is free from paraben, silicone, mineral oil, color and synthetic fragrance. But I am a little bit disappointed by this product as they have not mentioned the full ingredient list. They have only mentioned the key ingredient list and they claim that it contains 99% of aloe vera gel. However, I don't have any complaints on the uses of this aloe vera gel. It suits my skin. Earlier I used to apply it directly, but now I used to apply it in combination with my niacinamide serum or the serum that I use like AHA, BHA that needs moisturizer. So I can trust on this brand when it comes to mixing it and using it with some serum or some chemical exfoliators. So this is an affordable option. Next I have this Caffeine Coffee Face Serum. I have talked a lot about this serum in my previous video, the Caffeine one. I was glad after purchasing it, but I am highly disappointed by this product as they have not mentioned the ingredient list anywhere on the website for this particular product. I have checked Nykaa's website as well and the Caffeine one. Though I didn't like it at all, but I couldn't deny the fact that it doesn't give me acne, pimples or breakouts. It also contains titanium dioxide. It can provide you a little bit of sun protection as well. It contains good ingredients, but the way the ingredient list is being shown on the label, they are not at all formulated in a good manner. So I will not recommend it to anybody else because it's a waste of money. Moisturizer that I can suggest you, Episoft moisturizer with SPF 30 I guess, because I have done a review on this Episoft moisturizer earlier. You can check it out on my channel, and I wish it could have SPF 50 so that we can wear it outside also. If you are someone who uses chemical exfoliators, serum and all, you must apply a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 50. Next moisturizer that I have is from Innisfree. It's their Green Tea Balancing Lotion X. It's not a kind of thick moisturizer. It's very light and it's very watery. It's runny and like a thick rice water, but it doesn't contain rice water I guess. It has green tea as its main ingredient. I have checked the ingredient list before purchasing it on internet. There I found that the green tea is given as its first ingredient, but when I received the product, I saw that it is the last fourth ingredient of this product. You can see the green tea at the end of the ingredient list. After receiving the product, when I have checked the ingredient list, I found that the alcohol has more contribution towards its ingredient list than the green tea. Means we are applying more alcohol, more preservatives than the green tea. So highly disappointed by this product. I think Innisfree has reformulated some of their products because I cannot see the star ingredient on the top of the ingredient list. Guys, I literally stopped questioning to the brands about the ingredients of the product. I am highly disappointed because I think so the team, the brand doesn't feel worthy to answer to us, to the customers.
I will show you what I meant to say. I have typed the name of the respective product and here is the product. I purchased it from Nika and here is the ingredient list. You will see Camellia sinensis, that is green tea, as a first ingredient. But when I receive the products, I see the labeling and here the green tea is one of the
I
last
have tried to
ingredients.
contact a lot of brands and hardly any of them answer me about their ingredients. Guys, for these two products, I will say I'm highly disappointed, not as a YouTuber but as a customer, and please don't waste your money for these two products because on the website you will see a lot of good ingredients, but all those good ingredients are at the bottom of the ingredient list of these products. Next product that I have is from Plum. It's their Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. I have been using this product from I guess last 2 months, and this is how it looks from inside. I got a complimentary small tube of this night gel, so I have finished that tube first and then I started using this stuff. This is the product that I really admired. I have done a separate review for this video on my channel. You can check it out for more details because I talked a lot about its ingredients. It has beautiful ingredients and the formulation is done in a beautiful way. I'll show you the consistency of this product, that how it looks. A gel based moisturizers and it blends in the skin pretty well. It has glycolic acid, so I will not suggest you to use this moisturizer at daytime. I don't use this product every other day. I use this product thrice a week and I think it's enough. If you are using any acid in your skin routine, try to use it thrice a week. Don't use it regularly. Next product that I'm going to show you is my favorite product. This is from the Earth Rhythm and the first product that I have from their brand is their Snail Mucin. I hope I pronounced the name correctly this time. So this is how it looks. It is a gel based moisturizers and it contains water as a base. Although they have mentioned it for sensitive skin, but it suits my skin pretty well. Let me show you the texture of this gel. You need not to apply a lot of the product. It's a clear gel and it doesn't contain strong fragrance. Even this product is unscented. That means it doesn't contain synthetic fragrance or essential oils or anything else. What you smell is the fragrance of the natural ingredients which are infused in this particular product, and you can see how well it spreads on the skin. I have discussed everything, almost everything about this product in the Earth Rhythm video. If you haven't seen that video, go and check out. Please guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I used to upload a lot of information on my Instagram handle. Next product from Earth Rhythm that I have is their Revive Overnight Gel with 20% of propolis extract, and this is something that is derived from bees. This product is formulated with bee wax and it contains 20% of propolis. So I use this particular product the very next day when I use my chemical exfoliators. So it heals my skin because propolis is meant for wound healing and it's scientifically proven. If you are someone who has hypersensitive skin or your skin feels red after using chemical exfoliator, you should buy this product because I think for me it's a miracle product. It calms my inflammation so soon and it's something that everyone should have and everyone should use after chemical exfoliation.
I'll show you the consistency of the propolis serum. You just need 2 or 3 pumps for your face and neck, and this is how it looks.
Most of us don't know about ingredient labelings and the ingredients. We trust on brands so blindly, whether it's McCafe, Plum, Mama Earth, whatever brand, or even the Earth Rhythm. Whatever brand you follow, just check the ingredient list before buying. And that's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.